Hi kids, welcome to Shesha Kids. Let's learn body parts today.
A for arm. Arm.
We use our arms to lift, hug, and wave.
B for brain. Brain.
B is for brain. The brain helps us think and learn new things.
C for chest. Chest. C is for chest. Our heart and lungs are inside the chest. D for digestive system. Digestive system.
Digestive system. It helps us turn food into energy.
E for ears. Ears. Ears, we use our ears to hear sounds and music. F for fingers. Fingers.
Fingers help us touch and hold things. G for gums. Gums. Gums keep our teeth strong and healthy.
H for hand. Hand.
We use our hands to write, clap, and play.
I for iris. Iris.
The iris gives color to our eyes.
J for jaw. J for our jaw helps us chew food and talk. K for knee. Knee. Knees help us bend and walk. L for leg.
Leg. We use our legs to run, jump, and stand.
M for mouth.
Mouth.
We eat, talk, and smile with our mouth. N for nose. Nose.
We smell flowers and breathe through our nose.
O for organs. Organs.
O is for organ. Our organs help our body work properly.
P for palm. Palm. P is for palm, the soft inside part of our hand. Q for
quadriceps.
Quadriceps.
Q is for quadriceps, strong thigh muscles that help us run.
R for ribs. Ribs. R is for ribs. Ribs protect our heart and lungs. S for shoulder. Shoulder.
S is for shoulder. Shoulders help us move our arms.
T for tongue.
Tongue. T is for tongue. We taste yummy food with our tongue. U for ulna. Ulna. U is for ulna, a bone in our lower arm. V for veins. Veins. V is for veins. Veins carry blood all around our body. W for wrist. Wrist. W is for wrist. It connects our hand and arm. X for xiphoid process. X is for xiphoid process, a tiny bone at the end of our chest. O for yellow bone marrow. Yellow bone marrow. Yellow bone marrow is the soft yellow part inside bones that stores energy for our body. Z for zygomatic bone. Zygomatic bone. Z is for zygomatic bone. It's our cheekbone that helps us smile. Hooray! You have learned the A to Z body parts in an interesting way. Thank you, kids. Like and subscribe. Shesha Kids channel for more learning videos.